Hey guys, Jake Daniels here, Regional Sales Manager with Forest River Brand Travel Trailers, No Boundaries. And I'm going to show you a lot of cool things today on our 19 series, specifically our 19.6. So here we are, we're on the inside of the 19.6. And what you're going to find out is there's actually just a ton of real estate. Now keep in mind, this trailer is not even 25 feet long. It also only weighs about 4,200 pounds, but there's a lot of features in here that you just about can't get in almost any other trailer in our segment. So think about being a first-time buyer or someone that maybe has thought about getting into the travel trailer world, but maybe didn't know exactly what it entails, right? So you're gonna find that the No Boundaries brand is one of the most turnkey, adventure-ready, and ergonomic trailers in the market today. Speaking of certain things that you look for, 60 by 80 queen-size beds. These are in every single one of my 19 series layouts. When you go to Macy's to buy new mattress covers, you're gonna love that you have that 60 by 80. It's just like what you got at home. This Murphy bed configuration here is extremely easy to use as well, and I'll show you that right now. So not only do you have a slide out with the jackknife sofa, so you have plenty of extra sleeping area there, you have more seating area here as well, and my favorite part of this whole floor plan is the breakfast bar. So think about eating some breakfast or something like that in the morning, having some coffee. The TV's in a perfect spot, so now you can watch the morning news, or heck, I mean, if you're rained out, watching a football game or something like that with some friends. Really is just open and welcome for anybody else that may want to be in here. We have some LED backlighting here. It just really makes it look a lot classier in the unit. There's a his and hers wardrobe on each side, plenty of storage. You're gonna notice that sometimes these cabinets might seem a little hard to open. We do that on purpose. That way, you don't have anything not where it's supposed to be once you get to the campsite. There's a USB port on each side. There's your switch as well for the LED lighting. A little bit more storage down here too. And we really did try to squeeze out every square inch of this thing. Now keep in mind, it's less than 25 feet long. It weighs 4,200 pounds. You don't have a ton of square feet to work with. So what we've done to be able to maximize all that, I think is truly, truly notable. Now, another great thing about the 19.6 floor plan is the kitchen itself. Like I mentioned before, No Boundaries is the most turnkey, adventure-ready, ergonomic trailer in our entire segment for the whole industry. The amount of prep space that you get for this is almost uncomparable to anything else you might be shopping for out there. Flush mount cooktop here, 2-burner range, and take a look at this. The convection microwave oven is in the exact same spot as what you have at home. Another great thing about it, the size of the sink alone. Now you can finally wash some dishes with the gooseneck faucet as well. Sometimes you might have more of an entry level or just a smaller faucet there. Makes it really hard to keep those dishes clean. 6 cubic foot, double door, 2-way refrigerator. A lot of them are gonna be right around that 5 cubic feet range, which is fine, but think about having some extra guests. You're gonna need a little bit extra room for the food. Now, for all you dry campers out there, you're especially gonna love it because it operates on 2 power sources. One of which is your shore power, right? Just be at your traditional campsite. The other one runs right off of your propane. So now you can conserve all of your 12-volt energy for things like the lighting and the slide out and the TV as well, because remember, this TV is a 12-volt TV. If you're dry camping out there, if you have signal, or if you want to watch the game, you're fine. It operates right off those batteries. Inside the bathroom of a No Boundaries, especially the 19.6, you're gonna see an array of buttons, one of which is just simply the power switch for the lights. The other one is part of our cold weather package. Now we give you heated tanks on your fresh gray and your black. All you gotta do is turn these things on right here, as well as your power switches for the water heater as well as the water pump. The other side here has a nice glass radius shower here. So we really wanted to step it up in the world of just kind of keeping a little bit more high-end, a little bit more luxury feel, as well as there's a pretty good amount of room in this thing too. And again, it only weighs 4,200 pounds and it's less than 25 feet long. A few other things that are going to make your life a lot easier on your day-to-day camping trips is the extra amount of storage, specifically the one right by the entry door. Plenty of storage. This is your pantry. On the other side, you have, just like the 2 wardrobes up front, you have another wardrobe right here with a hanging clothesline. Now, here's a cool thing that you're gonna find on the No Boundaries travel trailers too. This black box right here. Now, this is a steel lock box that you use your key that locks your door. Let's say you're going camping and you're not gonna be at your campsite during the day. And you know, a lot of our customers are kayakers. They're mountain bikers or hikers or whatever it is. So you need some extra peace of mind if you have some certain things that you don't want anybody getting access to. So for us, that's an absolute no-brainer to have. Up here, you're gonna see another control panel. This is all of your lights, extending the awning as well as your slide-out controls. You have a bottle opener, which is a great feature. and the JBL Flip 5 portable Bluetooth speaker. So that is completely waterproof, and in my opinion, it's the best sounding Bluetooth speaker on the market today. Take it with you, take it on your kayaking trips. You also have a master switch here for, again, more lights, but also for the exterior LED running light right up the top. So we've had a few questions about what this mysterious button might be. That's it right up there. So that turns on and off the LED strip on the front cap. So that wraps it up for our tour of the 19.6 No Boundaries travel trailer. Less than 25 feet long, 4,200 pounds. I think you're gonna love it. My name is Jake Daniels, Regional Sales Manager with Forest River No Boundaries Travel Trailers. For more information, go to www.forestriverinc.com/no boundaries. We'll see you around.